Hey, welcome back to our new video. For more information, kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. So today the Shopify store we are discussing is key series. The Shopify stores for earbuds, the Shopify stores that are just working on the free systems, dive deep and touch the sound of music. They just encourage that experience a truly revolutionary and immersive sound experience. The Key Series is an innovative audio brand that combines the best of premium quality materials with comfort and durability. Their tech products are true crystal clear sound that will make you feel like you are at a live performance. Their origins. Ever since the beginning, they have maintained the goal of revolutionizing the listening experience. In search for most advanced way to enjoy music, they have developed the Key Series collection to deliver lossless sound quality, active noise cancelling, and a powerful wireless capability. By combining those three benefits into a premium quality design, they have built a superior product that is taking the market by storm. From their humble development phase, they have come so far now. Every product, therefore, comes with truly inventive technologies and eloquent designs that change the verb associated with audio from hear to feel. When you want the extraordinary, you choose Key Series. Key Series has released a truly wireless T10 in early 2019 and T18NC in early 2020. This product won IF Design Award in 2019 and Red Dot Award 2020 for a truly innovative design concept. They have also released two sports headphones known as B60 and B80 in addition to their true wireless earbuds and sports headphones. The Key Series collection contains advanced Bluetooth receivers C90. For more information, kindly share our video with your friends. See you in the next video.